Wow, sir. You have a nice ride, sir.
Thank you.
I really enjoyed myself from the clothing, the whole outing, the ice cream, the perf. I really appreciate.
You're welcome.
Wow. So I'll be giving you a call, sir. So just open your boots. Let me get my stuff, sir.
Wait. Let's go to my hotel room.
Your hotel room.
Yeah.
So I really understand you're a very nice person.
Thank you.
Based on all you've done for me, the outing, the clothing, I really appreciate everything. But I must tell you something about me. I'm actually a ghost. And I was actually sent to take your life.
You're a ghost. And they sent you to take my life.
So actually, if I were you, I would just allow me leave.
Okay. I know that you like groundnuts. Let me buy groundnuts. Let me buy groundnuts for you. Groundnuts! Hey! Come. How much? 500, 200. No, give me this 500 and run.
So where is the granite you're buying?
I'm not seeing the man.
Which woman?
Okay,
I don't understand.
madam, it's our member.
What member?
She's a ghost. And you're a ghost, I'm a ghost too.
Look at my face.
So where is the granite you're buying now?
I not seen you. You say you're a ghost. I not seen her.
No, I'm not a ghost.
You're not a ghost.
So I'm not a ghost.
I'm a ghost. She's a ghost. Madam, give us groundnut, please.
Hey, so I'm not a ghost. So I'm not a ghost.
What do you mean you're not a ghost?
Hey, sir, please open your door. Let me leave.
Meaning,
Sir, please, I'm not a ghost.
you say you're a ghost.
Mbani.
And I'm a ghost.
Sir, is it the gift? Is it the outing you took me to? The things you bought for me, sir? You can take it, please.
See, wahala.
Sir, please. Sir,
Open
please open your door. Let me leave, please. Sir, Bikon. Sir, is it because of the gift you got for me? Sir, please. Sir, please take it. Take the gift, please. My mom is not feeling fine.
But you say that you're a ghost
No,
now.
sir, I'm not a ghost. Sir, please, I'm not a ghost.
Please, enter me to
Sir,
let's go.
please, I'm not a ghost. Sir,
We are
please.
family.
Sir, which woman is entering the car? No. Hey,
No, you tell me that you're a ghost.
No,
Now,
sir, please. Sir, Bikon, please help me.
Who are
My
you?
mom is not feeling fine. Sir, please, you know me now. Sir, please. Hey, Jesus.
we are going together.
Hey, sir, please. Which person? Hey, Bikon. Sir, please. I'm begging you, please.
Yeah, but
Okay, what were you saying before? Oh, please.
I say let's go to hotel room. You say you're a
Hey.
ghost.
Sir, my
And
mom
you're
is
not a
not
family
feeling
to me.
fine. My mom is not feeling fine.
Now your mom is not feeling fine.
Please, help
Ghost
me.
have mommy.
Hey, Chino. Sir, please.
See the way you're
Help me.
sweating.
Sir,
I never
please.
see ghosts sweat before
Please,
in my life.
Let me calm down, sir. Sir, anything you want, sir. Please let me just go and see my mom.
Anything I want.
Now
Now you're talking.
Please.
Now
But
you're
let me go
talking.
and see my mom. My mom is not feeling fine.
My hotel room.
Please.
We must learn a lesson.